Hey, what's up guys? This is Vincent, and in this Lightroom Classic tutorial I'm going to discuss the compare view as well as the survey view. In the previous video we went over tagging or applying flags, star rating or color labels to an image, and the compare view and the survey view is just an extension of that, which helps you better sort, tag and filter your images. So let's start with the compare view. So the compare view, as the name suggests, you're comparing a selected or primary image against a candidate, and it depends on what you want to do. Suppose it's for wedding photography and you want to send the best portrait or the best group photo or something along those lines to the client. So you're just comparing and moving along and seeing which image comes out at the top. But it can also be a group of photos that you can choose, and you can do that in the survey view, which I'll show you in a minute. So now with the selected image has like a white icon at the top right corner of the thumbnail, and then the candidate has a black icon. It's like a square or a diamond, just rotated. And with this selected image, or the image that's currently selected, don't confuse it with the word selected. The image that's currently selected, there's a white border around it. So if I click on the candidate, the white border changes. So as we move through these images, we can compare one primary image to a candidate, or we can select or compare multiple images in the compare view. And while we're going through these images, we can apply a flag, pick it or reject it, choose a star rating, as well as add a color label. Or you can deselect it, and depending on where you are on the film strip, it might get deleted. Not deleted, sorry, it'll just get removed, or it'll remain the same depending on where you are in the film strip. So with this image selected and with the white border around it, I can check or change the selected image just by clicking on something else. If I go on the candidate and I want to change the candidate, make sure you click on it, there's the white border around it, and then I can change the candidate. Okay, and if you click on the same image again, then it'll just like, it could switch or swap over. And another way of swapping or changing these images is clicking on this icon right here, this X and Y. So what it does is just flips it pretty much. And then if you want to make the candidate be the selected, you can click on this and then it'll go to the next image. And then you have this option as well, going through all the candidates. So there's different ways to work around it depending on what's selected and what's highlighted. And then you can use these arrows as well as these swapping and rotating the selected and candidate's image to see what image you like the best. And once you're done, you just click on done, and that should be it. But anyways, going back to the survey view, this is just an extension of the compare view where you can select multiple photos. So here I'm in the film strip. I click on this first image, then I'll shift click on this fifth image, and now you have 5 images that you're looking at or comparing to. And like the compare view, you can flag it, put a star rating, or add a color label, or you can remove it as well. You can also select another image by control or command clicking right here, and that's another option. So this just helps with comparing your images against your other images. It's mainly used for professional photography, or if you want to print something or send something to a client. That's it for the compare and survey view. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and follow me on Instagram.